What I wish I knew about preventing customer churn when I started my business. It's all in the data. Pandas is a powerful tool in Python for data manipulation. Imagine you have a list of customers, their purchase history, and whether they've stopped buying from you. Pandas helps you analyze this data to find patterns. For example, you can use Pandas to create a data frame, a table-like structure, to organize your data. Then you can easily filter and sort this data frame to spot trends. Maybe you discover customers tend to churn after 3 months without a purchase. With this insight, you can create a targeted campaign to re-engage them before they leave. Pandas also allows you to visualize your data with graphs and charts. This makes it easier to present your findings to your team and make data-driven decisions. So next time you're worried about losing customers, remember that Pandas can turn your data into actionable insights. Stay curious and happy analyzing.